Hanzi chiko, hanzi tivote. Hanzi tiriko, hanzi tivote tichimama nenhamo tichidzingwa kuchipatara. Hanzi tiite sei? Mukuti tiite sei? Mukuti tivote. Muri kutiita zvezano tichimama nenhamo kunoku. Muri kuita sei chaizvo? Tichimama nenhamo muchiuya kuno. Tiri kumama tichipiswa muzvipatara muri kuno. Tiri kunzwa nenhamo kunoku. Tiri kutosafa imatouya henyu kuzoita zvezano kunoku. Nhamo tiri kutomama. Hatina kana nzara, tine nzara. Tiri munyika isiri yedu. Tine nzara. Tiri kufa muzvipatara munomu tichidzingwa tichimuzvarira murodhi. Muri pano mukutiita sei homeboy? Motibatsira sei tichitomama hatina kana mapemiti? Ngatipe mari. Hatiti izvozvo. Tiri kumama nenhamo munomu. Tiri kumama nenhamo. Mouya muno motitaiti muSouth Africa. Tichimama muno nenhamo. Aiwa tichikuramba tichikutoda. Muri kutouya henyu kunoku. Tichifa nenhamo muri kudya mari. Halo. Tiri kumama nenhamo munomu. Taura kwayo. Ndokusapota iwe home and away. Taura. Hatingamami nenhamo home and away ka. Tiri kuita kunge chakwirwa musuri kunoku. Hai, imi, tiri kumama nenhamo kunoku. Muri kuziva here tiri kufa nenzara kunoku. Tiri kudzingwa kunoku South Africa. Muri kuuya nemota ikoko. Endai ikoko homeboy. Vezano here. Muri vezano here. Muri vezano here. Tiri kumama nenhamo kunoku South Africa. Mouya nemota kunoku. Vambokusiyai muchipinda mapurisa acho. Vambokusiyai sei muchipinda? Endai, budai rova iwe dhuma izvi hazvina basa izvi. Kuya nezano kuno kuSouth Africa. Takajamba bhodha mutadza kuchinja nyika. Budai muende, budai muende, hamba. Budai muende. Tiri kumama nenhamo panapa. Mouya kuno zvenyu tiri kumama nenhamo muno muSouth Africa. Budai muende. Budai. Musuri wenyikoko mese. Butaka. Tiri kumama nenhamo muno. Mouya kuzotitira chizano. Pano. Mouya muno nemahure enyu kuzotitira matsaga iyo zvokumama izvi. Futsek every day na4. Endai mudhara tafa nenzara isu. Tiri kumama nenzara kuno kumouya kuzodiaspora. Hamba. Futsek. Kumachende. Futsek. Tiri kumama nenzara kuno kwazotizviri. Nzara yakatifesa home and away motiwinga kuno. Hamba Futsek. Musangano musuri. Shiti yemusangano. Tiri kumhanyisa kuchipatara mouya mune mota. Futsek. Shit.
What we have just witnessed from this video is a sign of resistance. People are actually resisting ZANU-PF. People no longer love ZANU-PF. They don't want ZANU-PF to continue being in power. However, there is one problem. Our people, they don't love ZANU-PF. But in as much as we don't flock back to Zimbabwe to come and vote out ZANU-PF, we will still have a problem. In as much as we fail to come and make sure that we patiently wait on the voting lines, we won't be able to defeat ZANU-PF. When we look at the past elections, the 2023 elections, 68% voted. What happened to 32%? So that 32%, if half of that 32% had voted, you could have seen different results. You could have seen better results. When we look at each and everything, ZANU-PF rigging and everything else, they rig successfully when our people do not come to vote. We have a lot of people who say elections will be stolen. They don't come to vote. They will be there in South Africa, they will be there in Botswana, they will be there in surrounding countries. They don't come to vote. They don't contribute financially. They don't talk to their relatives. It becomes a problem. Imagine if each and every person in South Africa, if they talk to their relatives back home, especially in the rural areas. Imagine if they make it a habit to say, we are going to vote in an election. Imagine if they support the opposition financially, and they do everything to make sure that in their wards, in their constituencies, the candidates win. It will be a great deal. So this is one of the biggest problems which we have. A lot of people, they are leaving Zimbabwe because it's not economically sound for people to continue to be there. It doesn't make sense for people to continue to be in Zimbabwe. So that is our biggest problem. That is our biggest challenge which we have. So challenging ZANU-PF in South Africa and leaving it just like that is not enough. Our people will need to come home. They will need to make sure that whatever which they have in their hearts is translated into the ballot box right here in the nation of Zimbabwe. This is how I feel. This is how I see everything. But the bottom line is ZANU-PF is no longer wanted. Our target, our goal, our mission must not focus on where we have been winning. We must focus the most on where we have been losing. That is the rural areas. ZANU-PF, look at them right now. They are focusing more in the urban areas. They don't care about the rural areas. They are working more to make sure that they change things in the urban areas. Why are we continuing to work in the urban areas? Let us go to the rural areas, because you go to the urban areas, people do not vote based on who you are. They vote based on where you belong to. Are you from the party of Advocate Nelson Chamisa? If you are there, they don't care if they know you or they don't know you. They will simply come and vote for you on account of you belonging to the party of President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. You go to the rural areas, it's a different scenario. It's a scenario where the councillor must be somebody who is well known within the community. So you go to the rural areas, you need to make sure that you establish a well-known person, a candidate right there as the councillor. So in urban areas, it's starting from the president going down, but in the rural areas, it's starting from the councillor going up. So the councillor does have a very, very huge responsibility and task to make sure that he gets as much votes as possible. And then the MP, and then the president. That is how you can easily win in the rural areas. And that is the model which we need to adopt right there and make sure that we destroy ZANU-PF left, right, and center. So ZANU-PF rigging tactics do not work if we unite. Make sure that we fund our politics, make sure that we talk to our relatives, there is enough information circulating, making sure that we do everything possible to win that election, and we will win that election. So this is it, your views and your thoughts. Let us talk.